Medigap Plan G, also known as Medicare Supplement Plan G, is one of the standardized Medicare supplement insurance plans available to Medicare beneficiaries. These plans, labeled with letters A through N, are designed to fill the gaps in coverage left by original Medicare, Parts A and B. Medigap Plan G offers comprehensive coverage, making it a popular choice among beneficiaries. It covers all the benefits provided by Medigap Plan F, except for the Medicare Part B deductible. Plan G also covers skilled nursing facility coinsurance, Part A deductible, Part B excess charges, and emergency medical care during foreign travel. With Medigap Plan G, you have the freedom to visit any doctor or hospital that accepts Medicare. You don't need referrals to see specialists, and you'll have the peace of mind knowing that many of your out-of-pocket costs are covered. That concludes our discussion on Medigap Plan G, a comprehensive Medicare supplement plan designed to fill the gaps in coverage left by original Medicare. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to share it with a friend and give us a thumbs up. If you're interested in learning more about Medicare, we'd love to hear your questions and topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Please leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to know about Medicare. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content.